Ah, yes, friends. A handful of healing wonder from Mother Nature. Greetings. Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com here. With one of the most versatile and highly programmably powerful crystals on God's green earth. Mother Nature knew what she was doing when she put clear quartz on this earth. Any intention, any specific intention that you have, that you want to achieve peace, tranquility, money, ease of anxiety, success, becoming the person you were put on this planet to be. Clear quartz from CosmicCuts.com. It's an incredible tool for just that. It's also good for connecting you to the divine, magnifying energy, as well as cleansing your chakras and your other crystals. If you put it near any other gemstone, it will magnify the positive healing benefits of that gemstone. Everything and anything spiritually healing related you can do with clear quartz. The limits you once had, my friends, are now gone. Nothing holds you back with the power of clear quartz from CosmicCuts.com. Let's take a closer look at one of the magnificent specimens you will receive from CosmicCuts.com.
Just look at that majestic beauty that Mother Nature so lovingly puts on this earth for us to enjoy. You can truly do anything with clear quartz. An absolute energetic powerhouse of a crystal. These are one of the specimens you'll receive from CosmicCuts.com. Spiritual enlightenment awaits, my friends. Have an amazing day.